25 words. Same language, completely different words or completely different meanings. Say the wrong one in the wrong country and you'll get some very confused looks. Block 1. Everyday objects. Word 1. Straw, the thing you drink through. In Spain, pajita. In Mexico, popote. Completely different words for the exact same object. Word 2. Bus. In Spain, autobús. In Mexico, camión. If you ask for a camión in Spain, people will think you want a truck. Word 3. Jacket. In Spain, chaqueta. In Mexico, chamarra. Two totally unrelated words. Word 4. Car. In Spain, coche. In Mexico, carro. Say coche in some Latin American countries and it can even mean baby stroller. Word 5. Computer. In Spain, ordenador. In Mexico, computadora. Completely different roots. Ordenador comes from to order, computadora from to compute. Word 6. Swimming pool. In Spain, piscina. In Mexico, alberca. If you don't know alberca, you'll be very confused looking for a piscina in Mexico City. Word 7. Cell phone. In Spain, móvil. In Mexico, celular. Word 8. Apartment. In Spain, piso. In Mexico, departamento. In Spain, piso can also mean floor, so context matters a lot. Quick review. Pajita, popote, autobús, camión, chaqueta, chamarra, coche, carro, ordenador, computadora, piscina, alberca, móvil, celular, piso, departamento. 8 everyday objects, 2 completely different vocabularies.
Block 2. People and jobs. Word 9. Waiter. In Spain, camarero. In Mexico, mesero. Word 10. Plumber. In Spain, fontanero. In Mexico, plomero. Word 11. Kid, guy, informal. In Spain, chico or crío. In Mexico, chavo. Word 12. Dude, buddy, used constantly between friends. In Spain, tío. In Mexico, güey. If you call your Mexican friend Theo, they might think you mean their actual uncle. Word 13. Cool, awesome. In Spain, guay. In Mexico, padre or chido. Que guay in Spain becomes que padre or que chido. Same enthusiasm, completely different words. Words 14. Job, work, casual way to say it. In Spain, curro. In Mexico, chamba. Voy al curro and voy a la chamba mean the exact same thing. Word 15. Refrigerator. In Spain, nevera or frigorífico. In Mexico, refrigerador. Quick review. Camarero, mesero, fontanero, plomero, chico, chavo, tío, güey, guay, padre or chido, curro, chamba, nevera, refrigerador. 7 words. People, jobs, everyday slang. Block 3. False friends and expressions that will actually confuse you. Word 16. Concha. In Spain, this just means seashell, completely innocent, what you find on the beach. In Mexico, concha is also a sweet bread. Delicious, sold in every bakery. But be careful, in some contexts in Mexico, it's also vulgar slang for female anatomy. Same word, 3 very different meanings depending on context and country. Word 17. Coger. In Spain, this means simply to take or to grab. Completely normal, used constantly. Coger el autobús, take the bus. In Mexico, never say this. It's vulgar. Use tomar or agarrar instead. Ahorita. This one confuses even native Spanish speakers. In most of Latin America, including Mexico, ahorita technically means right now, but in practice, it usually means in a little while or sometimes never, but I don't want to say no directly. If a Mexican tells you ahorita, don't expect it immediately. Word 19. Aguas. In Mexico, when someone shouts aguas, it means watch out, be careful. It has nothing to do with water in that moment, it's a warning. This expression barely exists in Spain. Word 20. Parchar. In Spain, parche, the noun meaning a patch, but in Mexico, parchar is a verb meaning to patch something up. But be careful, in some contexts, it's also slang for something much more intimate. Word 21. Me da palo. In Spain, this expression means something feels like too much effort or it's embarrassing. In Mexico, you'd say me da pena or que oso, literally what a bear, to express the same embarrassment. Word 22, chela. In Mexico, chela is slang for beer, heard constantly among friends. In Spain, you'd say caña or cerveza. Chela isn't used at all. Word 23, vale. In Spain, this word is everywhere. It means okay, got it, agreed. In Mexico, you'd say sale or órale for the same meaning. Word 24, ándale. You've heard this shouted in movies as a stereotype. In real Mexican Spanish, it's used constantly, calmly, meaning come on, hurry up, or okay, got it, not a punchline. Word 25, antojarse. In Mexico, se me antojó means you're craving something, very common everyday phrase. In Spain, apetecer is used instead, and antojar sounds more formal or old-fashioned. Quick review: concha, coger, ahorita, aguas, parchar, me da palo, me da pena, chela, vale, sale, ándale, antojarse, apetecer. 10 expressions that separate a tourist from someone who actually understands the culture. Final review: all 25 words, Spain and Mexico, side by side. Same language, two completely different ways of speaking it. Subscribe for more real Spanish, the kind they don't teach in textbooks.